Let's take a look at creating alternatives to solve problems. Generate possible alternatives for solving the problem or exploiting the opportunity. Usually, many possible ways exist to solve a problem. Without alternatives from multiple sources, you don't have to make a decision and you should write your alternatives down. Visual people like decision trees. With program decision making, the alternative is usually determined by policy. However, with non-programmed decision making, time, effort, and resources are needed to come up with new, creative, and innovative ideas. Creativity is a way of thinking that generates new ideas. Creativity is a driver that leads to innovation. Innovation is the implementation of a new idea. Two important types of innovation are product innovation and process innovation. Creativity is needed, but essentially useless if not implemented. Unfortunately, many employees come up with great ideas, but managers fail to implement them. There are barriers to changing and trying something different, but success only comes from taking some risks and innovating. The three stages in the creative process are preparation, incubation, and illumination, and evaluation. Brainstorming is the process of suggesting many possible alternatives without evaluation. When brainstorming ideas, follow these guidelines. Include diverse people. Develop as many solutions as possible. Make wild, extreme suggestions, and build on suggestions made by others. Synectics is the process of generating novel alternatives through role-playing and fantasizing. Synectics focuses on generating novel ideas rather than a large quantity of ideas. Nominal grouping is the process of generating and evaluating alternatives using a structured voting method. Consensus mapping is the process of developing group agreement on a solution to a problem. If a consensus can't be reached, the group does not make a decision. The DELPHI technique involves using a series of confidential questionnaires to refine a solution. Responses on the first questionnaire are analyzed and resubmitted to participants on a second. A decision tree is a diagram of alternatives. The diagram gives a visual picture of the alternatives, which makes it easier for some people to analyze them. Decision trees are also especially helpful when you face information overload.